Hey, what's up guys? This is Brian here with the Crypto Brotherhood. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the best cryptocurrency exchanges that I personally use and recommend. So whether you're just starting out looking to exchange your fiat money into crypto bitcoins, or whether you are looking to trade altcoins, or if you are looking to do some leverage trading, I've got you all covered, all the different exchanges for each and different purposes. So here we go.
And here we have Coinbase, one of the most reputable and beginner-friendly platform for investing into cryptocurrencies. So it's really huge. They've got, you can see they're featured in Wall Street Journal, New York Times, Time, spotted in 32 different countries, and they've even got their own mobile app. So this is a great platform for beginners if say you just want to get into the mainstream common cryptos such as like Bitcoin, Etherum, Litecoin. You can just buy and hold safely. What this isn't so good for is that the number of cryptos are pretty limited, so you don't have your altcoins. So for that, what you can do is you buy through Coinbase first, and then you send your Bitcoin to another exchange where you can use them to buy your altcoins. And so also if you sign up through my referral link, and you get a free $10 if you top up a minimum of 100 bucks. So that's like free $10 for you to test it out, try it out. Yeah. Another cool thing about Coinbase is that they are intending to add ERC20 support. So those are tokens that are built on the Ethereum smart contract platform. Popular ones such as EOS, Tron, Omisego. So they haven't specifically stated which tokens they are going to be supporting, but it might be announced in the coming months. So this is really something exciting to be looking about for Coinbase. Definitely a plus for them. Alright, and here we have Binance, one of my favorite exchange for sure. So it's a Hong Kong based exchange, and you can see that they have got great volume going on here, lots of pairs for the altcoins. Right, you can see it's a huge list down here, great volume, and they've got a lot of stuff going on. So you can see they have stuff like competition, this Qtum competition giveaway, and they have like a coding competition. And also, I know there's recently been some news regarding them having problem with Japan regulators. So actually what they've done is that they're going to be moving to Malta. So this actually a pretty good news, since it's gonna remove and address some of that concern about the Japanese regulators. And also it might be getting a banking partnership, which what this means is that soon they are going to be able to have you can get deposits and withdrawals straight from fiat to crypto. Currently for Binance now, you've got to buy your bitcoins elsewhere first, and then later send it to Binance, where there you can exchange for the altcoins. But if this goes through, then it's going to be really great for Binance. Another cool thing about Binance is that they have this their own Binance Labs, which is a incubator for pre-ICO projects. That's where they focus on. So they are a startup which is helping other startup, and this kind of like see it as them being blockchain focused company that's trying to help other blockchain companies as well. So what they do is they provide funds, advice, resources. I think it's so wide range of advisory, like how to get listed, how to do ICO, how the tokens work, everything right here. And here we are at the trading view of Binance. They have two view, the basic and the advanced, and here we are at the basic. So what I like about Binance is that they've got a 0.1% transaction fee, and this can even be slashed in half, as you can see here, if you have a Binance coin BNB, which is their own coin that they ICO'd with. And what's good about Binance is that they have like the standard stuff that all the exchanges have, your pairings, you can sort them, can have like in Bitcoin pairing, Etherum, Binance, Tether, and you have this important function as well, which is a stop limit. So how stop limit works is that you can place an order once you can place a limit order once it reaches the limit target that you want. So I think this really important for crypto, as it's such a volatile market and not every exchange have this. So if you want to go to sleep at night peacefully without knowing that you're going to wake up next day with a nightmare, stop limit is pretty important. Another neat feature that they have is the market, which allows you to buy or sell at the market price. So crypto being a volatile market, sometimes when you are watching the order books, you then say right now you're gonna buy it for this price, and then the moment you put in, maybe it changes to another different price. So and then you gotta wait for it to come back down. So if you want to get rid of all that hassle, you can just buy right away at the market price. So this is good if you just want to get in quick, or you want to cash out your positions fast. And here we have Binance advanced trading view. So you can see it's got a really nice huge layout, amazing charts, and if you notice, it's pretty close to CoinG or TradingView's UI, user interface as well. And here down below you can see any open orders you have, your order history, trade history, your funds, how much you have left in your wallet. And down here you've got your limit order, stop limit, and market. And one really cool thing that they've got is this 25, 50, 75 and 100%. So say if you wanna you're not sure how much you want to trade and you want to do position sizing, which I think is a great way to not time the market, and you don't try to catch like the bottom or the peak, and you just like go in slowly. So this is great for that. You can go in, say if you think it's going to be near the bottom, you can put in 25%, and if say you're wrong, you can do a dollar cost average down further, another 25%. And on the chart here you can see that you've got two arrows here, so wherever you are at the chart, they're gonna give you the lowest and the highest here. So if you scroll back, it's gonna automatically readjust and calculate for you again. And you've got some pretty good indicators here as well: moving average, convergence, divergence, RSI, stochastic, exponential moving average, normal moving average, Bollinger Band, and a bunch of other indicators as well. So I think it's pretty great for if you want to do some charting or technical analysis, compared to other exchanges where some of their view is rather limited and it can be hard to really see on a smaller section of the screen. So if you don't want to trade with CoinG or TradingView, then I think this is closest you are gonna get to the real deal. Next up, we have Bittrex, and Bittrex is pretty popular and a huge exchange with tons of great coins. So from here you can see they've got huge list of coins here. I think for total they've got almost like 200 coins, and they've got some pretty decent volume right here. You can see sort by volume. And what's nice about them is they really broadcast what's the biggest gain of the day, the top volume. So if you just want like come in quick and know where the action is at, yeah, they'll show right it advertised at the front. And you have Bitcoin market, Etherum market, and USD Tether market as well. And if you click in to see their interface for Tron, you've got the basic info right here, your last traded volume, bid ask, 24-hour high low, and you've got your charts here, which includes order book to see your depth, and you have your indicators. You have quite a large sample of indicators here, and you have your charting tools as well. You've even got the Fibonacci here, so you can use it to draw your tracements pre-knit. And also, of course, they have the stop limit here, so you can, when it goes below a certain price or higher, you can set it to kick in for the limit to kick in, which is pre-knit, always useful for crypto. And here you have your order book, your open orders, so you want to see what you have on hand, you can view it here, or in the top right here, where it will be consolidated for every order that you have. And market history, and right there, you can see it below here as well. Overall, pretty cool. Great altcoins market if you want to trade altcoins. Lots of selections, I would definitely recommend. And here we have KuCoin, which is a Korean exchange, relatively new. And what's cool about this exchange is that they have tons of promotions. As you can see, they have like giveaways right here. Right, 5 Bitcoin giveaway finished and paid out. And earlier, check it out, you can even win a Porsche and Ripple tokens, special first prize. Okay, promotions aside, what's good about KuCoin is that they are very active in listing coins. So chances are that if you've got new coins that you are interested in, maybe you miss out on their ICO and you are looking to get a hold of it, chances are you're gonna find it on KuCoin. You can see here they've got a bunch here, list Electronium, Aaron, a whole bunch of them right here. All this, a lot of new coins. And their trading interface is pretty good as well. So if you see, this is, I think it's charts by trading view, so we've got really nice interactive interface, lots of indicators. Let's see here, a lot of indicators, very active charts and pretty secure. As you can see, if you set up your Google 2FA before you buy or sell, you're going to input your verification code, so it's always some nice extra security right there. So KuCoin, I recommend if you are looking for new coins, low market cap coins. And another cool thing that they've got is that similar to Binance, they have KuCoin shares, so you can get them. And what they do is KuCoin gives out a percentage of its trading fees to Ku shareholders. So if you hold some of their coin, you are gonna get some of their trading fee as well. Yeah. Next up here we have BitMEX, which is becoming relatively popular recently. So from here you can see you have everything right out in front of you. You've got your order book, your chart, your depth chart, the recent trades, and the chart is by trading view, which means it's lots of utility. You've got your indicators as usual, And I know this is a bit small, but you can click here to expand it out, so you have the full view right here. And what's different about BitMEX is that you can notice that they only have a few trading pairs available: Bitcoin, ADA, Bitcoin Cash, Dash, and so on. So it's not a lot, but what really makes them different is that they have crazy leverage and margin. So you can have leverage up to 100 times. So if you are looking to make really quick profits, but a substantial amount as well, this is something that's very possible with the leverage. So this can be good if you're a day trader and you're just looking to scalp the trades coming in quick and in and out quickly, get some nice profits fast. So of course, with the leverage, there's always the risk of liquidation, so do exercise caution there. Yep. And I think overall BitMEX is pretty solid under certain circumstances. If you want to short, there's one way that you can, because not every exchanges allows you to do that.
And there you have it, guys, the best cryptocurrency exchanges that I use. I've provided a link down below for you to sign up, so you can use that link, and be sure to like and subscribe to my channel if you found the information useful, and also leave a comment if I've missed out any other exchanges that you guys think are great. And just to sum it up, the Coinbase would be good if you are exchanging fiat to crypto. Binance and Bittrex for altcoins trading. KuCoin is great for a lot of new altcoins that are new in the market. And finally, BitMEX for leverage trading. So happy trading, guys.